And that is a wrap on Easter 2021. My name is Werner Puchert, and this is Finding Frequency. So in Poland, today is still a public holiday. And I feel a little bit bad because I shouted at one of the little cousins today. Because as we entered my mother-in-law's house for the traditional breakfast, my wife got splashed with water. I wasn't very impressed. However, I forgot something. Tradition here in Poland is that on this day today, you should be playing pranks and splashing people with water because it brings you good luck. Oopsie. But I mean, not a lot of water was splashed today. In fact, it was a bit of a chill day. It flew past. Breakfast, got to phone my parents in South Africa, had a little of a quick catch up with the whole family, between all the families. I came home to do a little bit of work, and then Marta and Francie went out with the cousins to a local park just to go and have a little bit of a play zone journey. And Francie came home with an alarm clock. Yes, an alarm clock that he discovered at his grandma's house. I was instructed to put a battery in it, which I did. I fixed it. It's one of those noisy ones. It makes a huge noise. You know, the little hammer that hits two bells or two metal pieces. Now I'm thinking, and I wonder what you think I should do. Because I think what I should do is set the alarm for tomorrow morning as per Francie's request. And then I think I should probably go sleep on the couch and just see how Marta reacts to a big bell going off tomorrow morning. Then again, I wonder if I should do that because Marta and I'm both going to be at home working from home and I don't want a grumpy wife. What do you think? What should I do? Should I go for the half-a-minute laugh? I don't know. Thanks for listening.